everyone, it's me, Gus. Today we're drawing the Good Samaritan. You ready? Let's draw! We'll start by making his face with a long curved line on this side of the paper. Next, we're going to make another line on the other side. It's about 3 scuppet fingers over, so right here. Yeah! Now connect the 2 bottom lines with a straight line across like this. And now we get to do the same thing at the top. Perfect! We made a not-so-perfect square. Now, I think we should make his nose. So do a small little line across right here. And from there, do a long line straight down. Now go to the other side and do another line down that's a little bit shorter. And now do another line across the other way. Kind of like making a backwards L. Then connect the lines with a curved line down and around. There, you did it! Now let's make his eyes. He has 2, so let's do 2 big ovals on each side of his nose. 1, 2. And then make 2 little circles inside those ovals. Color him in. Yeah, just like that. Next, his eyebrows. Do a line right at the top of each eye. Great job! Now let's make his beard. Do a line across his face, but remember, don't draw a line on his nose. Okay, let's add some little lines across the bottom like this. And then don't forget his smile. Draw 2 little curved lines and color him in. Now he needs his ear, so go to the side of his face just below his beard line and do a little backward C with a small little curved line inside. Let's go back to the top of his head and make a rectangle at the top for his headband. So make the top line a little longer on each side, then 2 small little lines up on each side of those lines, and across another long line. And now for his hair. Go on this side and do 2 big poofs in the front. Okay, let's go to the other side of his headband and do 2 little more poofs here. And there you go! I just love drawing with you guys. All right, see you next time. Bye!